Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to just vlog my day because I wanted to give you a glimpse into my typical 9 to 5 job in marketing. Thought about doing a whole video about my job, but then I thought, let's just make it a full day. Today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday morning. If you're new to my channel, I am currently a digital marketing coordinator for a plant shop and a plant nursery. Like originally, I've been hired to work as a marketing person for the nursery, but the plant shop is owned by one of the owners of the nursery. So basically I get to help with the plant shop as well, which is really fun because it's like indoor plants and I'm a huge fan of houseplants. I've been doing this specific marketing job for almost a year now. It's coming up on September. Sometime late September is when it's about to be the year mark, but honestly, like I've been able to live at home while doing this job and just save money and getting to learn how to use Illustrator, InDesign, and Photoshop and all that stuff. It's been really cool. So I'm excited to show you guys some of the stuff throughout my day. And like I said, I'm going to be going to the plant shop. I have headshots to take of all the employees of the plant store. I also have to do mine as well. I already have one, but I think I'm going to try a different time without my glasses because typically I don't wear my glasses. I just can't get my contacts for some reason. I'm also going to the plant shop to have my meeting with my boss. It's our weekly check-in meeting, and then I also need to do some reels for our Instagram. I'm gonna do an unboxing and something about the ceramic pots that we're selling. So as you saw, I was drinking my coffee. It is cold now though, so I'm gonna go back downstairs and heat that up, but then we will get started with the workday. Not gonna lie, but I wasn't even that hungry. I just needed to eat something because I didn't want to be starving later, but can't ever go wrong with eggs of some variation. Anyways, I'm going to keep on working and then I'll check back in later on in the day, but one of the things I'm going to work on right now is just adding some of our nursery photos to our website. But yeah, a lot of the stuff that I do is project-based. I only have a few recurring responsibilities that I do on a weekly basis, like social media and studio photography for all of the plants that we grow at the nursery. And I also have some like longer projects, creating care guides for every plant that's going to be on our nursery's website. I'm about to head out the door. I just put on some different clothes. Thought I'd give you a little overview of my favorite work outfit. It's super simple, but the shirt is from Parade. It's like this really nice stretchy one. It's super comfy. It's like a good length. It's not too cropped. And then these are my absolute favorite pair of jeans. I wear them a lot. They are my Aritzia Arlo High Rise Straight, and I think they're just a really nice blue wash. I'm gonna go make myself an iced coffee to take with me, and we will head out. But this is just like a really funny wide angle of me driving. Yeah, I'm almost at the plant shop. I was gonna talk about work from home a little bit. If you've seen any of my recent videos, I might have said that I've been working from home more than I used to, and I enjoy being able to work from home, but I really appreciate the days where I get to go in and see other people. I really enjoy going to the plant shop. It's just a nice environment, and I don't know if any of you guys work from home. Do you feel like a little crisisy if you stay at home for too long? I think that's why it's really important to make sure you go on walks and, you know, get outside, see the world, and not just stay home all day. Hello, you guys. guys, it is now 3:30. I'm driving home from the plant shop. One of the girls, she ended up buying Lady M's cakes. I don't know if you've ever had this before, but I actually had this in New York in April when I went, and it was the best cake I've ever had in my entire life. I ended up getting to take home some. I have the matcha one, a cheesecake, and then a checkered one, but it was such a good treat. Yeah, so I'm actually heading to the nursery now. I wanted to pick up one of the plants that I ordered, and while I'm there I thought I would just take some video and photo content. It's been a nice day. It's almost over, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, I was just saying earlier, I love the days that I get to go to the shop, and I'm going to be working there on Tuesday because she needs me to help fill in. But I personally really love doing that. I have so much fun talking to customers about like plants that they should get, and I feel like I've become so much more knowledgeable about like low life plants and ones that require a lot of humidity. And I am really looking forward to this weekend. It is only Wednesday, but I feel like the week has already gone by so fast. I've been getting back into the swing of things with working out. I worked out and went on a walk on Monday, which felt really good, and I'm really sore right now. But I'm excited to work out tonight. I want to do some lifting today. I'm gonna go for a walk as well. I think I'll go on a walk with my mom. It's gonna be 109 in the place that my boyfriend lives. I don't know if I'm gonna survive it. But yeah, I'm so excited for fall and just like the cozy vibes and maybe a little bit of fall shopping and like warming up my room a little bit. I feel like the change of seasons always gets me excited. Anyways, I'm almost at the nursery. These are so full and lush. They actually ended up cutting off the trailing part, but they're so pretty. So I got home a little while ago and I had been working on a few things. I want to show you the last thing that I just finished up just for fun, you know. Basically, for the plant shop, we're going to be hosting our first like open house event. It started as like an influencer event, but then we ended up changing it to just like an open house for realtors, interior designers, and just people that can network at this event. I just put together this invite page on our website, which we're going to just send as a link to whoever we want to invite. I put some photos on here and a few blurbs about the event and about us, and then our coffee cart will also be there. So I've just been messing around with the layout on here, and then I added a form down here, but I think I'm still going to mess around with the bottom portion because I don't like how there's just this space right here. I might just swap this out for another picture to make it to fill out better. It's 5:15. I am done for the workday. My room is kind of a mess now. I was like figuring out what I wanted to wear today, and I just threw stuff in my closet and on my bed, so I need to tidy all of that because I had just cleaned out my closet and everything was staying organized, and I want to make sure that it stays that way. So I'm gonna put everything back on the hangers.
It's pretty amazing though that those vines just started sprouting.
This is way more viney.
I mean, there's just so much in there, right?
So my mom and I decided to repot a lot of the pothos that we got just because they were all crammed in their pots. But yeah, some plants that we have at the nursery I just can't pass up, so I'll buy a flat and then I'll just give away some to friends after we repot them and make them look good. Hello guys, so it is now 6 p.m. I really want to make time for my workout and a walk, so I'm gonna do a few quick things right now. I was meaning to make a reset video for September, but I just didn't get around to it, and I felt like I was a little too rushed on time to do it yesterday or today. I did try to do it yesterday, but I ended up needing to go grocery shopping, and I just felt like I didn't have enough time after work. It is August 31st, so I figured I would just implement some of these rituals into today. The main things that I just want to do are some cleaning. I want to wipe down my desk right now and also wipe down my mirror, since this is my office space basically. I also need to clean up my bathroom counter. And then we're gonna do some reflecting on the month because I found a template to use for Notion, and I want to give you guys my updated Notion tour. Just a little glimpse of it because I haven't used every single portion of it, but I want to show you guys like the yearly planning section and the monthly planning section. I just think it's really good to reflect on the previous month. Like, what did you learn, what did you like, and what do you feel like you lacked, because you can always carry over things from that month that you might have not accomplished and just throw it into the next month and just remember what goals you're working towards. Anyways, let's just get to cleaning because I want to make time, like I said, for my workout since we're trying to get in some movement. I'm just gonna do a quick clean. I'm just trying to get all the dust and like plant soil that I have in here because I've been watering my plants in my room in the sink and I kind of let it get a little messy. Okay, now for like the main highlight of my day, it's going on a sunset walk, and this is so rejuvenating. It's just a good self-care activity, and it's good to implement this into like your typical work days because I feel like getting outside is just really good for your mind. And it's good to go with a friend or a family member and just talk, or you could even put on your favorite podcast, which is what I'll do when I go alone. Then I did some stretching in our home gym and ended up just doing an arm workout. It was pretty minimal, but I just wanted to try to work on my arms a bit because my legs and hammies are destroyed from Monday's workout. And for my late dinner, I decided to first make a smoothie because I really wanted something refreshing and sweet. So I just had some fresh strawberries, frozen mangoes, and some Greek yogurt. I like using a mix of fresh fruit and frozen fruit because then it's not too thick. Then I put some almond milk, some chia seeds, and some hemp hearts. Sometimes it's nice not putting spinach in here because it just turns out to be really cute pink color. But then for actual dinner, I just had some tuna with cucumber, salt, and pepper. And then I dumped some Trader Joe's brown rice on top. I was just trying to have like a higher protein but still carby dinner. It is the end of the night. It's already 9:53 actually, but I was just enjoying my dinner after the workout and the walk. I kept the workout pretty simple. It was just arms because I already killed my legs the other day. And they're still recovering, they're still super tight. I'm glad that I prioritized getting more movement in today. I feel like that just makes me feel good, and I feel a lot happier by the end of the day. Since it is the end of the day, I thought this was a good time to go through my Notion with you and show you the template I've been using. Okay, so I'm gonna screen record. This is my 2022 dashboard. It has yearly planning, finances, personal, YouTube, and UGC. If you saw my August reset video, you already got to see some of the stuff that I planned for YouTube and like my brand partners list and stuff like that, but I'm gonna just go into the yearly planning section on this dashboard. I just really like the layout. I feel like it works well. You can obviously just make this yourself as well, but I like the girl's template. Again, I'll have her information down below if you want to download this as well. But yeah, this is basically just planning out your entire year and breaking it down by quarters, and you get to see your goals on the side. I feel like it's just a good way to stay accountable. So at the top I have my word for 2022, and that's abundance. I just felt like sometimes I would be in a scarcity mindset for some reason. Like I'd always say, no, I don't have time for that. But honestly, you can make time. I want my creativity to be in abundance and the effort that I put into things. But yeah, so I didn't start using this template until like a week into August. So I don't have everything listed on here, but we're gonna go right into quarter 3. Monthly goals, our top 3 priorities, and then the end of the quarter review. But I wanted to go through this and do the little review at the bottom. And this goes through what you liked, you learned, and you lacked, and what you longed for. However, I didn't fill out the longed for section because I'm just not really longing for anything specific. First thing that I really enjoyed was being inspired to create and just film and edit videos because I just felt like I was in a creative rut for a really long time, and I think that can happen frequently and easily, depends on the type of person you are. I've been excited to edit and just like try to make things fun. It's interesting how watching other YouTubers just gets you excited to create in the first place. Like I've just enjoyed watching YouTube now. I just find it fun. It's like a different form of entertainment where it feels like you're learning things. It's just getting to hear other people's experiences. The second one's an obvious one, just quality time with my boyfriend. Quality time's always great. That's like one of my love languages, or like one of the top love languages, if not the very top one. Love languages are really interesting. It is very insightful to know how your partner receives and gives love because people do it in a lot of different ways. But yeah, it is fun to go through and see like which one, like listing them in order of which one resonates with you the most. Honestly, I could probably talk about that more, but I don't want to spend too much time here. I'm curious, like, have you guys ever done that? And the third one was using Google Calendar. So I'd always said that I had used it, but I had never used it this in depth. I've actually been color coding things and like scheduling specific times, like for working out or for tennis or for editing a video, and I've been using different colors to differentiate like editing versus filming a video, and then when a video goes live. Another thing that I really liked was my evening walks this month. Especially in the beginning of the month, we were going crazy with walks. We were just going every single day. I think that just feels really good because it's a great form of exercise and it's like your time to disconnect and not use your electronics. The next section is what did I learn this month? And the first thing I learned was that I'm more capable of creating videos on a more consistent basis than I previously thought. Another thing I learned this month was learning how to swing a tennis racket the right way. I did one of those tennis camps in the summer. It was probably like a 2-week thing, and I did not learn how to swing correctly, or maybe I did and I just forgot because it was so long ago. But one of my friends, he is a tennis coach and he showed me how to properly swing that thing. So I'm really happy about that because now I actually feel like I can not look so dumb when I'm swinging. Yeah, so I'm excited to keep playing tennis more and like get better. I feel like it's fun to have little activities like that are active. Another thing that I learned this month was how to make better thumbnails, and I'm just talking about like using Photoshop more and like more of the capabilities that it has, because I'd always been super simple with my thumbnails in the past and just thinking I want to do that minimal look with just white text, something clean. And while I still think that is nice and I appreciate that look, I've been really having a fun time like layering things and just putting shadows and things to spice it up. But again, you don't want it to be busy either, so. The last thing I'm going to talk about is what are the things that I feel like I could have done better this month. This was a big one, getting my ass up in weight training. I just got really unmotivated with it because I just, after like a while of not doing it, I just felt really weak. Yeah, really bad mindset. The second one was swapping out the unhealthy snacks for refreshing, nutritious ones. I was doing a good job at eating a lot of vegetables in the beginning of the month. Not too sure what exactly happened, but we had Cheez-Its at home, and that stuff I think made me go downhill. The last thing that I want to carry over into the next month is spending more time reading at night, or at least making more time for it on the weekends. Like even tonight, it's 10:16 and I wanted to read. I am going to do all this planning for September, I think tomorrow, because I'm really tired right now, but I really wanted to go through all those things that happened in August. I don't know, I think it's just thought-provoking to go through this list, just reflect on your life. So definitely download this template and like answer all of these for yourself because I really like it and I think it's helpful for you. But yeah, I really enjoy using this just to reflect on my life, and I feel like it makes things more intentional. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know if you like workday in my life. So I kind of want to do more. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm exhausted. I'll see you in my next video.